In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of looking crazy when you go to bed by wearing forehead and smile line and even the eye pads, wrinkle patches. So let's go ahead and get into this. Hey, I'm Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. I share the Bible. That's business inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So guys, it is officially 2025. It is a new year. I wish you many more new years to come. I hope that this year is going to be amazing for you, very fruitful. And whatever you have to experience, I hope and pray that you will come out of it stronger and better, and that you will learn a lot from it, because with each year we grow and we go through, but we can make it to the other side. So listen, guys, with each year comes a year that we get older, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to share this that I'm doing with you guys, and that is I am wearing these forehead and smile line wrinkle patches, as well as the eye pads, which I've already been doing the eye pads. I did another video on that, and I may put the link to that video in the description box if you have not seen that video already. But for those of you that are new, welcome to, and for those of you that are returning, welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more content like this. I like to share beauty content on Wednesdays, so this video is going to be something that I have been trying more recently here, that I'm keeping up, and it's going to bed looking crazy. Now, some of us, we already go to bed looking crazy, so this isn't a new thing, but this may be something that you want to add to your routine. And why is that? The benefits of using these patches are for the hydration boost, because they have amazing hydrating ingredients that are staying on for at least 6 hours. That is what is recommended. They help to lock in the moisture, plumping the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and the smoothing effect. Repeated use can help minimize the depth of expression lines over time, which we tend to get more of them as we grow greater in age. That's just a fact of the matter. It's a targeted treatment. So unlike just the general skincare products, the patches focus on specific areas like the forehead and the smile lines, so it's delivering those concentrated results. It's a non-invasive alternative. So they're pain-free. They may feel a little bit weird, and it takes some getting used to them, no doubt. But when it comes to the alternatives, which a lot of those involve needles and blood and other things, if you can have a non-invasive alternative, why not try it at least for a while before you go straight towards getting something like Botox? The prevention of expression lines. The wrinkle patches, they physically prevent repetitive muscle movements in those areas prone to wrinkles, such as frowning or smiling, helping to slow the formation of those new lines. It also forces you to sleep on your back, because it is not recommended, if you're going to wear these, that you sleep face down. And sleeping face up, it is already something that is known to be a benefit for helping to prevent wrinkles on your face. It gives you enhanced skincare absorption. So when used over serums and creams, these patches can enhance product penetration, allowing active ingredients to work more effectively. They give you some quick and visible results, and it makes it ideal for events or occasions when you want to look refreshed. So guys, these are great because they're convenient and portable, and it's a great addition to your self-care routines. Now, I love these that I got. I will put a link to these in the description box, guys, and they're also available on my Amazon store, so you can go to the link to that. That website link is in my description box as well, but I'll go ahead and save you some time, and I'll put the link to these already there. These are forehead and smile line wrinkle patches, and you get 36 patches in a box. So you get 12 for the forehead, and you get 24 for the smile lines, because of course you need one for each side. They feel cool when you place them on, and it is recommended that anytime you are going to use these patches, you want to make sure that you've done your cleansing and all of those different things that you need to do. So your cleansing, your toning, all of your serums and your creams and moisturizers. Still do those things. You still want to do the things, because these are going to be an added benefit to what you're already doing when it comes to your skincare routine. But you never want to apply these to uncleansed skin. Now, what I'm doing, guys, is I am using these 3 nights a week. So I'm not doing this every night. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays is what I typically want to do, as well as I am adding the Gold Collagen Eye Mask, which we do retail these in my beauty business, and they are a bestseller. They work really, really well, and they feel really good. So wearing the forehead and smile line wrinkle patches, as well as the collagen eye pads 3 nights a week, is what I am adding to my routine, because again, this year I will be growing another year older by God's grace when I make it to the month of August. So I'm trying to do things that are going to be an added benefit to what I'm already doing in my regular skincare rituals, because again, the hands of time and the hands of stress have taken its toll. And even though thankfully I'm not dealing with deep forehead lines and things like that some people, unfortunately, they have dealt with that for a very long time, and even from an earlier age, I can say that I've been blessed to not have that issue. But I'm doing what I can to stave those things away from me for as long as I possibly can, without having to go to an invasive method any sooner than I would like to. So incorporating these into my routine 3 nights a week is what I am doing. And in another video, I will show you what I'm doing on 2 nights a week during the week, and just giving myself a break on the weekends, but all still using my skincare products and doing my skincare rituals. But these are just an added benefit to what I'm doing in my regular skincare routines, guys. When you are applying the patches, you want to make sure that you are applying some pressure when you are applying it to the areas of your skin, because it can easily come off until it has really gotten to the place where it's kind of suctioned into those pores, and then it's just going to stay there. But you really need to apply pressure for about 30 seconds. And do this right before you're about to go to bed. I don't recommend doing this and then walking around or doing anything where you're going to have a lot of physical activity, if you know what I mean. Do the physical things that you plan on doing prior to doing this. You want to make this the last step before you go and get in that bed and lie face up and get your beauty sleep. Hyaluronic acid, collagen, and vitamin E are the key ingredients that are in these forehead and smile line wrinkle patches that really give your skin what it truly needs. They help to lock in the moisture and plumping the skin. So this is all about preventing the fine lines and wrinkles. You're rarely going to see a very moisturized, plump face that has a lot of fine lines and wrinkles. I've already been using the collagen eye pads. I've been using these for quite some time, and they really do make a difference. But using the forehead and smile line wrinkle patches and incorporating this over the last couple of weeks, I can definitely say that I have seen and felt a difference. And that is one of the reasons why, when it comes to doing things like this, you need to continue it for a period of time. It is not something that you're going to see a major difference overnight, although that would be amazing. But using it, incorporating it 3 nights a week, and this is something that I'm going to do for a period of time and show you guys the results, I'm really excited about. So if you want to try them out, I have the link to these in the description box below so that you can order yours. Let me know if you have any other questions than what I've already talked about in this video. And thanks so much for being here. I am Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, and I share the Bible that's business inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So until the next time, I hope and pray you all have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.